Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore the Edit menu in Google Docs. So you're in Google Vids, and you click on the Edit menu. A lot of this stuff is going to look familiar. There's not really a lot different here. Undo will just undo the last action. Redo will just redo the last thing you undid. And then notice that some of these are grayed out. The reason they're grayed out is because in order to use them, you have to have an object selected. So I'm just going to do that. Click that. Notice now I can cut that object. I can copy it. I can paste. Paste basically just pastes whatever the last item is on your clipboard. And paste without formatting. Oftentimes a very useful edit menu feature in like Google Docs or something else. Basically what it does is it will paste the object, but it will ignore the formatting that comes with that object, and it'll just paste it with the formatting for the destination, right, as opposed to the source. Select all is just going to select everything on the scene. You can delete it. Duplicate is sort of like copy and paste all in one step. So notice that I have that selected. If I duplicate it, it just copies and pastes it. So I now have an exact replica of that specific object. And find and replace. Find and replace, I can look for different text strings and replace it with other text strings. So maybe I realize that I've been spelling something wrong this whole time, or maybe I haven't been capitalizing it correctly. I can search the entire video document for text that fits that description and then replace it with something else. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.